If you are thinking about moving over from Twitch over to YouTube to live stream, then this is the video for you. In this video, I will be showing you quick and easy steps you can take to start your live streaming on YouTube through OBS. Keep in mind that I will be making this video with the understanding that you already know how to work on OBS. But if you would like me to make a video on how to set up OBS, just leave it down in the comments below. Now let's get right into it. So the first thing that you will need in order for you to start streaming on YouTube is your stream key. You can find your key by clicking the video icon on the top right corner of YouTube and clicking go live. Or you can click profile, select YouTube Studios, then click create and go live. Then on the bottom left corner, you will see your stream key, which you will want to copy and add to your OBS. Really important is to never show anyone your stream key, as if anyone does have your stream key, they are able to then stream on your channel. Once you have your stream key, you'll want to go back to OBS and click File, then Settings, Stream. Then as the service, you'll want to select YouTube, leave the server as is, then click Use Stream Key and add your stream key into the new section that appears and hit Apply. You can also hit Connect Account, which will ask you to log into your YouTube account. Once you have done so in OBS, hit Apply, and now both your OBS and YouTube will now be connected. Technically, you are ready to start streaming, but I want to walk you guys through some tools and settings that will make you the ultimate streamer on YouTube. On your live page at the bottom, there is a stream latency settings. Normal latency is for those who want the best quality of streams but don't really engage with their audience. Low latency has about a 5-second delay in chat, while ultra low latency has about a 1 to 2 second delay. Now the big differences in ultra low latency and low latency is that ultra low latency does not support 1440p and 4K resolution streams. Analytics can be used to view your concurrent viewers, the chat rate, as well as the views that you are currently getting on that stream. While the stream health tab shows you the health of your stream. Chat is going to be located on the right hand side, which you can basically pop out and move anywhere you want, or you can basically just use a dedicated monitor for your chat. The next tab on the left allows you to use your webcam to stream directly to YouTube. So if it is something that you wish to do, you can use that, but my recommendations would just be to use OBS. Finally, you have the Manage tab, which allows you to see your scheduled streams. In this tab, you can either create a new scheduled stream or choose the settings to use on a prior stream. You're going to want to make sure that your title is something that you would want. The description has everything that you would like your stream to have. The category section, you will simply select where you are going to be streaming. For games, you can go ahead and type in the game that you are going to be playing. Thumbnails, in my opinion, are the most important, as they allow you to stand out from the crowd of other streamers on YouTube. Depending on what you're going to be streaming, if you're not sure exactly what you want to stream but just simply want to game, I would recommend just creating some kind of default thumbnail that you can use on any stream that you would like. Or if you know that you are going to be playing a specific game, I would recommend just creating a thumbnail for just that game. The thumbnail sizes currently are 1280 by 720, so keep that in mind when you're creating your thumbnails. If you have a playlist set up dedicated for your streams, you can go ahead and select so here. The next tab that you will see in the create stream section is going to be called customization. In the customization section, it allows you to basically remove chat if you do not want to engage with your audience while you are streaming, as well as you can remove the replay button, which basically allows, once the stream is done, for the chat to also disappear. The participant mode allows you to either choose whether anyone can basically type in your chat or only subscribers of your channel. Message delay is basically how it sounds, how long you want participants to wait between sending messages. Finally, the visibility section, it basically allows you to either have this private, unlisted, or public, or if you want to schedule it for a later time, you can do so by simply selecting the date and the time that you would like to basically stream. Once you have this set up, you can hit done, and that will be it. Once you have everything set up in OBS, you can click start streaming. A pop-up will appear asking you to manage broadcast, where you will enter a title for the stream, description, thumbnail, latency, and then you can either hit create broadcast and start streaming to go live, or select the box under latency called schedule for later, which then will pop up a few more boxes to either auto start and or auto stop streaming. A time and date to start the stream, which is normally used on YouTube to gather the audience before the stream actually begins. Honestly, scheduling is just a form of the streaming soon scene. Another recommendation that I have is that you hit stop streaming on OBS first and then hit end stream on YouTube. Unless you have it to auto start and auto stop, ending it on YouTube first will basically stop it right then and there without it catching up to OBS. And that is it. You are ready to start streaming on YouTube. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, let me know if there is any other tutorials you guys would like me to do, and I'll be more than happy to do them. As well as subscribe to the channel if you are not already. Much love to you all. Remember to live your life to the fullest, and I'll catch you in the next video.